Are you living with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, or caring for a loved one who is? Have you tried Combivent Respimat, one of the most commonly prescribed inhalers for COPD? In this video today, we will help you to understand the most reliable treatment remedies for chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. You might have questions like, what is Combivent really used for? Can I take it if I have asthma? Or, are there any side effects I should worry about? We're going to answer all of those, plus bust a few myths along the way. So stick around. This is everything you need to know about Combivent Respimat. What is Combivent Respimat? Combivent Respimat is a prescription inhaler designed for adults with COPD, especially those who still struggle with breathing symptoms even while on a regular bronchodilator. It's used as part of maintenance therapy to reduce symptoms like chronic shortness of breath and wheezing. It is not intended for sudden breathing attacks or emergency use. What sets Combivent apart is that it combines two medications into one inhaler: ipratropium bromide and albuterol. These medications work together to relax and open up your airways, helping you breathe more easily throughout the day. How Combivent works? Combivent works through a combination of two bronchodilators. Ipratropium bromide is an anticholinergic, which blocks nerve signals that cause the muscles around your airways to tighten. Albuterol, on the other hand, is a beta-2 agonist, which actively relaxes those airway muscles. The result is more open airways and improved airflow into and out of the lungs. This dual approach makes it more effective than using either medication alone for many patients with COPD who are experiencing ongoing symptoms. Using the Combivent Respimat inhaler is different from traditional inhalers. It delivers medication as a soft mist, which is easier to inhale deeply into the lungs, especially for people who have trouble coordinating the press and breathe technique required with older inhalers. The device needs to be prepared the first time you use it, which includes inserting the cartridge and priming the inhaler. After that, the daily steps are to turn the base of the inhaler to load the dose, open the cap, exhale fully, place the mouthpiece in your mouth, press the dose release button, and inhale slowly and deeply. Then, hold your breath for about 10 seconds to allow the medication to settle in your lungs. It is typically prescribed to be used 4 times a day, every day. How quickly does Combivent work? One of the benefits of Combivent Respimat is its quick onset of action. Most people begin to feel relief from symptoms within about 15 minutes of taking a dose. However, it's important to understand that despite its fast action, it is not meant to replace your rescue inhaler for sudden breathing difficulties. Instead, it is designed for long-term, regular use to maintain stable breathing throughout the day. Common and serious side effects of Combivent. As with any medication, Combivent does come with potential side effects. Common ones include cough, headache, upper respiratory tract infections, bronchitis, a runny or stuffy nose, and shortness of breath. These are typically manageable and often go away as your body adjusts to the medication. However, there are also serious side effects that you need to watch for. These include paradoxical bronchospasm, which is a rare but serious condition where your breathing actually worsens after using the inhaler. Other serious risks include increased heart rate, high blood pressure, dizziness, blurred vision, difficulty urinating, and allergic reactions like swelling or hives. If you experience any of these symptoms, you should stop using the medication and contact your healthcare provider immediately. Missed doses and overuse of Combivent. If you miss a dose of Combivent, the general rule is to take it as soon as you remember. However, if it's close to the time for your next scheduled dose, just skip the missed one. Never double up on doses to make up for one you missed. Taking more than prescribed can be dangerous and may lead to symptoms such as rapid heart rate, high blood pressure, chest pain, and nervousness. Overuse of bronchodilators like Combivent can actually increase your risk of hospitalization or serious complications, so it's important to follow your doctor's instructions closely. Can you use Combivent for asthma? One of the most frequently asked questions is whether Combivent can be used for asthma. The answer is no. While one of its components, albuterol, is commonly used in asthma treatment, The combination found in Combivent is only approved for use in people with COPD. It has not been proven safe or effective in treating asthma, and it is not a substitute for asthma maintenance medications or emergency inhalers. Is there a generic version available for Combivent? Another common question is whether Combivent Respimat has a generic version. As of now, there is no FDA-approved generic equivalent for Combivent Respimat in the United States. This can be a consideration when evaluating long-term cost or coverage with your insurance provider, so it's worth discussing with your doctor or pharmacist if you're concerned about affordability. Common myths about Combivent. There are several myths about Combivent that need to be cleared up. First, some people believe that Combivent is addictive. That is false. It does not contain any addictive substances and is safe to use regularly as prescribed. Another myth is that it contains steroids. In reality, Combivent contains bronchodilators only and no corticosteroids. A particularly dangerous myth is that it can be used as a rescue inhaler for sudden attacks. This is not true and can lead to delayed treatment in emergencies. There's also the misconception that taking more Combivent will lead to better results. In fact, overuse increases the risk of side effects and complications. Finally, some believe that Combivent can cure COPD. Unfortunately, there is no cure for COPD. Combivent is meant to manage symptoms, not eliminate the disease. Frequently asked questions about Combivent. Let's run through a few quick frequently asked questions about Combivent. First, what is Combivent used for? It's used for maintenance treatment of bronchospasm in people with COPD. Can it be used for asthma? No, it is not approved for asthma. How long does it take to work? Most people begin to feel improvement in about 15 minutes. Is there a generic version? Currently, know what happens if you miss a dose. Take it as soon as you remember unless it's close to your next dose, then just skip it. What if you use too much? Seek medical attention if you suspect an overdose. And finally, does it contain steroids? No, it only contains bronchodilators. Final word. Combivent Respimat is a powerful and effective option for those living with COPD, particularly when a single bronchodilator isn't enough. It combines two medications that work together to keep your airways open, helping you breathe more comfortably throughout the day. However, it's not suitable for everyone, and it's not a quick relief inhaler. Like any medication, it comes with risks and side effects, so it's important to use it exactly as directed by your healthcare provider. If you're considering Combivent, or already using it, make sure to ask your doctor any lingering questions and always keep your rescue inhaler on hand for emergencies. Do you have Combivent Respimat you no longer need? Turn it into cash. If you've stopped taking Combivent or have extra medication you no longer need, don't let it go to waste. At Diabetic Supply, we help people get cash for their unused Combivent Respimat and other medications. It's simple, fast, and secure. Plus, your surplus meds can help someone else in need, especially those who are uninsured or underinsured. Earn money, help others, keep valuable medications out of the trash. Visit iBuyDiabeticSupply.com to see what we buy and how to sell your extra Combivent Respimat or other supplies today.